After 15 years with KTM, obviously the news broke that he was leaving, and now he's on the Honda. That's Jeffery Herlings on a Honda, on a red bike, not an orange. And if you notice too, no Red Bull. It's Fox gear and no Red Bull sponsorship, at least, not branded helmet, not whatever. It's big changes. And you got to think 15 years on the same bike, same team, quote unquote, and now you're towards the end of your career and you're changing brands. I mean, especially from Austrian to Japanese bike, like a completely different world. At 31 years old, most people would be thinking about retiring, not changing to a different brand and still competing at the highest level. I mean, he is one of the greatest people ever to do it. When he's not injured, he is just incredibly fast and competitive. And I really hope that this works out. I hope that this year he can do well on it. He doesn't get hurt. There's no, stupid little heel injury or nagging stuff that he's had for the last few years. But we do have some quotes from him from his first time on the bike. This was January 1st, saying, quote, "New beginning 2026. I've been with KTM since 2009, so it's a complete new chapter for me. A new beginning, January 1st today, first day on the bike, and yeah, just super excited, trying to get as much riding time in as we can, because obviously it's not that long before the first race. This is like 6 to 7 weeks, so we need every single minute while we can, and yeah, just trying to be ready and prepare for round 1, Argentina." I'm excited. He did continue to say, quote, I jumped on a brand new bike. They don't have any experience with me. I don't have any experience with them. And it's just everything is new for them, for me. So throughout the first day, we already made massive steps. And there's so much experience at Honda HRC, not just for moto, because they have Formula One, MotoGP, Enduro, any sport, you can almost name it. So they have so much experience. So it's a pleasure to work with them. And already in the first day, we have made huge improvement. And yeah, looking forward to the times ahead. Like I said, I'm excited about this. I like Jeffery Herlings. I like MXGP. So to see him, try something different, go to a different team, have that little bit of a, end of the year, end of the career change is going to be cool to see how he does. I mean, from a steel frame Austrian KTM to the Japanese completely different bike, see how well he can adapt to it, see how well he works with the team works with him, and I hope he's competitive. I mean, it'd be awesome to see him get on this bike, come out this year and be a championship threat. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below, tell me what you think. How well do you think he's going to do? Do you watch MXGP? Or are you just a Supercross and American motocross fan? Whatever it is, comment down below while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.